In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best gaming tablets available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the 2022 Apple iPad Air gaming tablet. High-end gaming performance is provided by the 2022 iPad Air, making it appropriate for professional gamers. You won't have any trouble playing current or graphically demanding games thanks to its M1 chip, which transfers you to the gaming world with amazing visuals and performance. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina screen improves color accuracy and saturation, giving gamers a better visual experience. Because of its excellent visual reproduction, you can play for longer periods of time without getting regular headaches or eye strain. Thanks to the landscape speakers, which produce stereo surround sound, audio performance is outstanding. In addition to adding enjoyment to the gameplay, they produce effects that make it easier for you to react swiftly to dangers, which is helpful when playing first-person shooter genres. At number 4 is the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 gaming tablet. If you want to buy a gaming tablet but don't want to spend a lot of money, the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is a solid option. This tablet's 10th General Intel Core processor allows for seamless performance in popular games with less demanding graphics. This CPU pairs with the Intel Iris Plus graphics to deliver the highest graphical performance in the majority of games without overheating your tablet. With its 12.3-inch screen and 2736 by 1824 resolution, your games will look sharp and realistic. Since the tablet only weighs 1.7 pounds, the large screen makes games feel less crowded without compromising portability. Microsoft is aware of how well a large display pairs with an all-day battery. This model gives you roughly 10 hours of gameplay, reducing the likelihood that the tablet may shut off while you're playing games. Top 3 at our list is the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus gaming tablet. The Lenovo Tab P11 Plus is a great option if you want the finest Android tablet for gaming that offers great sound quality at an affordable price. Dolby Atmos 4 speakers produce a natural surround sound experience that immerses you in every scene. You don't need to connect the tablet to an external audio source if you have these speakers because they produce the appropriate tension for immersive gaming. This tablet's MediaTek Helio G90T octa-core processor, clocked at 2.05 GHz, enables smooth operation of a variety of games. Additionally, the Mali G76 MC4 GPU guarantees that less demanding games operate without buffering or shuddering. The tablet's 7700 mAh battery, which provides power for approximately 15 hours on a single charge, is another outstanding feature. Despite the fact that how long this battery will last depends on your usage and other factors, it is one of the top ratings for a tablet with a large screen. Moving up at number 2 is the 2021 iPad Pro gaming tablet. The iPad Pro from 2021 is a top-notch gaming tablet. It has a powerful Apple M1 chip that gives you the speed and power to easily complete the newest video games. Additionally, this chipset doubles the GPU performance over the previous model, enabling realistic gameplay for graphics-intensive games. Your games will come to life on the 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display's outstanding brightness and reduced blooming. The True Tone feature minimizes blue light and warms up the scenery for a relaxing late-night gaming experience. This screen size is also sizable enough to alleviate any cramped feelings you may have while playing your games, enabling you to easily see finer details. If you connect it to a Wi-Fi 6 network that is compatible, the Wi-Fi 6 standard is a great addition that will help you improve your gaming. If you share your home network with many people, it is essential to have more stability and less lag. High-resolution online games can be played without fear of losing due to signal lag. ND at number 1 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus gaming tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is the greatest Samsung tablet for gaming because to its exceptional features. One of its major features is its big 12.4-inch AMOLED display, which provides incredibly quick motion responses and lets you play games with little to no lag. The 2800 by 1752 resolution creates brilliant images and vibrant colors, highlighting details about various characters. A 10,090 mAh battery built into the device keeps you going for 7 to 12 hours, depending on the brightness, volume, and runtime. You won't have to worry that your gadget may crash in the middle of an intense game, which is a powerful selling factor, especially with the large display. The 8GB RAM and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor provide quick and efficient processing of demanding games. Depending on the games, this gaming tablet's 128GB of internal storage can accommodate a number of them. So that's sums of the today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.